The Chief Electoral Officer, CEO, Manipur clarified that there is no violation of Model Code of Conduct in connection with the crowd in front of Chief Minister Bungalow. The statement was mentioned in a reply issued by Joint CEO Manipur Ramananda Nongmai Kakpam in response to a complaint filed by Vice Chairman of Legal Department for Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Advocate Ravi Khan. The MPCC legal advisor sought necessary legal action against the people who had converged in front of the CM's bungalow for violation of the Election Model Code of Conduct. In the reply, the CEO stated the flying squad teams, FSTs, of District Election Officer DEO, Imphal West have been deployed to verify and inquire on the visits made by the masses. It is reported that the teams found presence of few people in front of the Chief Minister's Secretariat during the inspection. Upon inquiry, the visitors told the FSTs that they came for personal and official purpose and are not connected with the ensuing elections. It is further reported that frequent inspection at the spot were made by FSTs every day to monitor presence of visitors in front of the Chief Minister's Secretariat and found no evidence of violation of Model Code of Conduct was observed by FST teams, such as persuasion to the visitors to vote for a particular party, candidate, or distribution of cash of kind to the visitors. Thereafter, the complaint was disposed by the CEO.